going this way. We're running the fence line. It's the hard pack.
Alright, well, Asher's over there.
Go get him.
Alright.
I gotta hurry up. Stevens can cuss, dude. Yeah. Follow the fence line, Jake. Man down. Come up in here. Just keep running. Wow, there's a tree. All right. You got it. We're on a rescue mission now, JC. We got to take Steven's bike in. It's totaled. Yeah, that's fine. Soft, get some speed. This is the only soft spot. Try to follow the other ruts. Go left up here where you see the brush. Don't follow me on that one, follow the boys. I know. We'll get there. Hard again after this. Keep going. There you go. There you go. Battery. It clears up in a minute. We can't be free of sand forever out here. Like I said, there's going to be a few spots that are soft. Cut to the inside here. Take it. You're right, this one's nice. Keep going. On those bumps like that, if you pick your feet up and just lean back, sit up off the seat and lean back, your front end will float over them. Doing good. It's hard again. Just got to get there. Oh, this is a single track here. Ruddy single track, huh? Victory, go left. Almost fell. We want to cut back right here. Or go straight. Doesn't look too bad. Shit. Go straight. Yeah, no, straight's good. We're almost back on the same trail. Try to keep your feet up more, and it relieves the pressure on your arms. You gotta kind of let the bike dance a little bit underneath you, you know? Let it move around, that's what it wants to do. Just hit neutral. Second gear. Neutral. pick. Yep, drop into the rut, feet up, give her gas. At some point we want to start working our way back to the right a little bit. No big rush. There's the trail turn. Right. This way. Keep going past me. You got it. That's where you wiped out before. Oh, you tricked me. That's going to be a sketchy one. Got it. Throttle is your friend. These whoops suck. Here we go. If we go straight here, it should get a little harder. Ow! I hit a big ass root. Steven's gonna be done, dude. That really. Yeah, he may need to go to the hospital. He hit his head. His bike is totaled. No. Well, we'll see what happens when he gets back, but he doesn't really know what's going on right now. That's the problem. He lost his marbles. And I'm kind of worried about him. That's why we're trying to make this trip kind of fast. Ooh, look at jump. What? Yeah, it's not fun, I know that. See, these trails aren't so bad, right? You just gotta find the right ones. No. Maybe halfway. Soft section coming up these whoops into the clearing. If you can, go left at the clearing. I'll sit at the top. Yep. Are you recording it all? Oh, man! Did you see that? Oh, nice. Why don't you record our ride back? Show how tough you are. Trying to make the ruts deeper, but I'm sliding everywhere. Nope, that was a bad idea. Oh, I just hit my knee on the foot peg. Yep. Oh, that hurt. I tried to do something cool, it didn't work. Just gotta get on it. You in first? Oh, that hurts. Get on it. Try to stay where there's already tracks. Oh, I hit the off button. Remember, speed is your friend on a dirt bike. It doesn't seem like it, and it's scary, but just like a bicycle, the faster you go, the more stable you are. Yeah. Bike's coming. Okay. Alright, so now we're about halfway. This is the halfway point. It'll pick up. Go towards the pine tree and then cut. I know, that's why we got to get back. Well, he remembers, but he's not really paying attention to anything. It's a problem. Well, no. I mean, yes and no, but no. Oh, goodness. Yeah, it's always possible when you get a concussion. True, that's why we always wear our PPE. Why? Let the boy have some fun. Did Jennifer go to get Steven?
She never came back.
From where?
That's the wife. She went to the store earlier.
Shut up! Do what?
She went to the store earlier.
Gosh damn it, Chase, shut up! Well, sorry, what?
You're good. I haven't seen her. She went to the store earlier and I haven't seen her since.
Motherfucker, and she ain't answering her phone. All right, Jake, do you want to take your truck?
Go where? Get up. Go get him.
Yeah. I mean, I can take mine. I just got more shit to move.
Pick up his bike.
Yeah. And him. She wasn't answering her phone. He needs to come. He probably needs to be checked out.
What happened? He crashed?
Somebody jumped over a berm when Steven was coming around it and just, his bike's totaled.
So she came back and then left again? She hasn't been back. She didn't answer the phone. I mean, Steven got a... Guy says he thinks he got a concussion.
Dude, he went to get up and fell back down and then like wasn't coherent at all. I mean, maybe not, but yeah. His bike's damn sure not rideable.
Why? What happened?
The case is cracked. The frame has a chunk sticking out of it, and the radiator's smashed. Like, his bike is totaled. Yeah.
What a fucking idiot.
It's just pure ignorance.
Did we not
dude.
know who it was?
No, some random guy on that Yamaha. Like, why would you jump a berm when you see people riding around there? Or not even look. Like, yeah. Let's pull up this way and back up that way.
Let's see what's over there.
Nothing good. Nothing good.
Am I recording?